Yes lads, welcome back to another video on the IS200. So as I said in my last video, today I went down to Telford, actually picked up a full complete door with the window in it as well, so no messing about, literally door off, door on. Yeah, you don't even have to take door card out. I thought you did. The wiring just unplugs from where the door connects to the car basically. So I'll show you the new door in a minute, and then I'll literally do a quick video of how you take that door off and putting the new one on. So this is a door that I managed to find on eBay. Only comes with that fitting, don't come with the other two, but we've got them on the car, so it's alright. And the plug for the controls of the door. So what we need to do, lads, in order to get this door off is undo that 10mm there, that stays with the door. There's two 13s I think there. Undo them, leave the bracket on the car, and then the plug should just pull out from there. Obviously I'll have more room once the door's off to do that, and then you basically unplug it and then it's ready for the new door to be put on. Right lads, so far I got that 10mm out there. These are actually 12mm. I've cracked them off with a ratchet, and now I'm going to use a ratchet spanner to get them off completely, because the ratchet sort of like hits on there, it's not small enough, so this is a better option to do that. Right guys, so the door's off. You've actually got two 12s up top and two 12s on the bottom. That 10mm there, and then this bung will be in there. You literally, all I did was take the old door off first and get my dad to hold it, and then he pulled it away a bit so I could get hold of this, pull it out, and then you literally just disconnect this plug here by pushing down on that there. Dead simple, so we'll go ahead now and we'll get the new one on. Right lads, so we're near enough done. I've tightened up all 4 12mm. I still need to pop that bung back in place, which I'll do in a minute. I need to get this 10mm back on, and then we're all done. Right lads, so that 10mm is in to hold that on, and the bung's in. The way I did the bung, I just got a flat head and literally just pushed around it till it all sort of locked in. This was actually like a very easy job, took me like 20 minutes, so really easy. So if you need to do it yourself, let's just follow this video. Right lads, so there's the finished result. I think it could go up a bit more to align it, so I'm going to do that off camera, but the window works. Everything else is sorted, so for 25 quid I really can't argue. Yes lads, so I'm going to end the video here. If you do anything like this yourself and you're struggling, feel free to add me on Snapchat and Instagram. They're all around my YouTube somewhere in the bio of every video. So yeah, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to crack on with the other video that I'm doing now, so you'll probably see that uploaded after this one, but I'll see you in a bit.